The joy of marking 32 years of Kabaka Ronald Muwenda Mutebi II reign was tempered by frustration from descendants of one of Uganda's most historical monarchs, Sir Daudi Chwa, who ruled in the early 20th century. According to the family, Sir Daudi Chwa was allocated 350 square miles of land under the 1900 Buganda Agreement, over 60 square miles of which were added to him in his personal capacity.
Land allocated to Sir Daudi Chwa II. In 1897, at the age of just 1 year, Sir Daudi Chwa acceded to the throne as the 34th Kabaka of Buganda, succeeding his father, Sekabaka Muwenda Daniel Wasamura II. Under the 1900 Buganda Agreement between the British Protectorate and the Kingdom of Buganda, approximately 9,000 square miles of land were distributed to individuals and institutions within the kingdom. Of these, 350 square miles were allocated to Daudi Chwa in his personal capacity as Kabaka. 100 square miles were later added to his private estate. And over 60 additional square miles were acquired by him independently.
In March 2025, the Ministry of Lands issued official directives confirming the ownership of these estates and ordered the restoration of key plots in Kazi and other areas across Buganda. However, implementation of these directives has since stalled.
Government intervention and March 2025 ministerial directives. In response to petitions submitted by the family and extensive historical research, including access to British and Ugandan land archives, a technical committee led by Honorable Dr. Sam Mayanja, Minister of State for Lands, issued ministerial directives on the 10th of March 2025. These directives include restoration of Plot 5, Block 273 at Kazi, that's 120 acres, to the estate, with 100 acres allocated to the Scouts and 20 acres revert to the estate of Prince Muwenda, as per the original lease by Daudi Chwa. Survey and registration of 18 square miles of Block 273, Masajja, in favor of the estate, with 2 square miles muted to the Kingdom of Buganda.
Further complicating the issue, the Kabaka of Buganda and the Buganda Land Board filed a judicial review and secured a court injunction that halted the implementation of the ministry's directive.
The Kabaka of Buganda and Buganda Land Board, BLB, have filed for judicial review, obtaining a temporary injunction to halt implementation of the directives. This legal maneuver, in our view, is a deliberate effort to delay justice, backed by technicalities rather than merit. We note with concern that the same law firm representing Buganda Kingdom and the Kabaka is closely associated with officials in the Attorney General's office. Previous legal actions, including Civil Suit 285 of 2017 and a consent judgment of 2020, have been either frustrated or ignored by Kingdom agents.
The family now says that their heritage is under threat and they are feeling oppressed and ignored. Some of Sir Daudi Chwa's grandchildren, they claim now they are living in poverty, forced to collect plastic bottles to survive.
This estate was separate and distinct from the land held by the Kingdom of Buganda as an institution. Historical land records, including the provisional and final certificates, that's PS and FCs, official survey maps, and records from the Ministry of Lands, confirm these allocations. Titles clearly identify Daudi Chwa as the original and rightful owner of these lands under the mild tenure system.
While the legal battle continues, the family of Sir Daudi Chwa insists this is not just about land, it is about dignity, heritage and historical justice. They appeal now rests with President Museveni, who they believe can unlock a solution.
Express our deep concern over the continued obstruction of justice and to demand the full and immediate implementation of the ministerial directive issued by the government of Uganda.
Julius Mhumza, Church of Uganda Family TV, News at 8.